Well, this was fun. Hello everybody, I'm Sasha and I would like to tell you a bit more about Organizer. So, what exactly is Organizer? Organizer is a one-of-a-kind planning and productivity tool, including the Organizer Planner and Organizer app. The concept behind it is to preserve the benefits of planning on paper and elevating it with a digital component. With Organizer, you don't have to compromise and get the best out of traditional and digital planning without unnecessary complications. It gives you the freedom and flexibility to plan on paper and easily manage your content digitally. How does it work, you may wonder? The planner itself offers 3 essential planning structures, all of which are convertible to the mobile app: daily plans, checklists, and notes. The Organizer app is equipped with intelligent character recognition that enables you to convert your handwriting to digital text with just one quick snap. When scheduling daily plans, this unique connection will save you the trouble of double-checking your appointments, since it will synchronize them with your digital calendar and automatically set reminders in your phone. With this feature, you make sure to never miss an important appointment again. When converting checklists, you are really able to put the interactive functions of the app to good use. You can create groups, assign tasks, set deadlines, and get notified if a task is completed, which obviously makes it a great tool to increase your productivity. When it comes to taking notes, or writing down ideas, or even meeting minutes, for example, you don't have to worry about retyping anything anymore. One quick snap and the app will convert your handwriting to digital text and, simply put, save you time. We think Kickstarter is the perfect platform for an innovation like ours. We truly believe with the support and feedback of this great community, we can evolve together and create something special. We're currently in the testing phase of the app and are very satisfied with the results so far. But as you can imagine, to develop an app like this with its unique features is very costly. With your support, we'll be able to cover some of our expenses and bring Organizer to life. I think it's time to finally put 2020 to bed and make this year the best we ever had. Thank you for watching, and let's make it happen.